Act 2 Scene 2. This scene is divided into three sections. The first section is dominated by the antics. Okay, antics of Lancelot Gobbo, Shylock servant. Shylock servant ହେଲା Lancelot. Lancelot କ'ଣ ଏଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବହି କି
सर एटा यार पैराफ्रेज टा
ओहो
एटा लेखा है एटा तना मीनिंग
अच्छा अच्छा the in the beginning he is found debating with his conscience whether ହେଲା ମାନେ thinking debating with his conscience whether he should leave Shylock's household and take up service with Bassanio. ସେ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ଏକୁ ଯିବ ଆଉ ତା ପାଖରେ କାମ କରିବ ହେଲା ଟେକ୍ ଅପ୍ ସର୍ଭିସ୍ another service ହେଲା whether he should leave Shylock's household ତା ଘର ଛାଡ଼ିକିରି ଯାଇକିରି ସେଠି କାମ କରିବ କିଏ Lancelot. Ultimately he decides to leave the Zeus service. ସେଠୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ Zeus service ଛାଡ଼ୁଛି ହେଲା exhibiting his racial prejudice and his false expectations of Bassanio's wealth. Okay, exhibiting his racial prejudice. अच्छा ସିଏ he decides to leave service. ଏଠି କ'ଣ ଦେଖଉଛି exhibit କରୁଛି ଦେଖଉଛି କ'ଣ his racial prejudice and his false expectations of Bassanio's wealth ହେଲା କାହାର ଜିଉର अच्छा he teases his poor father taking advantage of his blindness and urges him to plead to Bassanio to employ him ହେଲା he teases his poor father taking advantage of his blindness ହେଲା ତା father ବିଷୟରେ and urges him କାହାକୁ ତା father କୁ to plead to Bassanio to employ him Bassanio କୁ request କରିବାକୁ to employ him ତାକୁ ଯେମିତି ରଖିବ. In the second section Lancelot meets Bassanio and enters his service. ସେ ଯାଉଛି ତା ପାଖରେ କାମ କରୁଛି Bassanio. In the third section Gratiano requests Bassanio to let him accompany him to Belmont. Gratiano requests Bassanio to let him ମାନେ ଚାକରକୁ to accompany him to Belmont. Belmont ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯିବାକୁ ହେଲା ତେଣୁ ଏଇଟା ପୁରା this is based on Lancelot Gobbo ହେଲା जो 3 section ଅଛି अच्छा सीन टा भेनिस रो गोटे स्ट्रीट एंटर Lancelot कहूची certainly my conscience will serve me to run from this Jew my master ताठू मो conscience को जो पळेबी the friend devil is at mine elbow and tempts me saying to me Gobbo Lancelot Gobbo good Lancelot or good Gobbo or good Lancelot Gobbo use your legs take the start run away ହେଲା the friend is at mine elbow ମାନେ ସେ କହୁଛି ମୋ ପଛରେ ପଡ଼ିଛି ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ମାଇନ୍ ଏଲ୍ବୋ କ'ଣ ସେ କହୁଛି ଟେକ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ରନ୍ ଆୱେ ମାଇ କନସାଇନ୍ସ ସେଜ୍ नो ଟେକ୍ ହିଡ୍ ସେ କହୁଛି ଯତ୍ନ ନେ ବୋଲି ହେଲା ଅନେଷ୍ଟ Lancelot take heed take care honest Gobbo or as aforesaid honest Lancelot Gobbo do not run scorn running with your heels ହେଲା ତ ତେଣୁ पलैबार चांस नहीं है बोली कहूँ है वेल द मोस्ट करेजियस फ्रेंड बीट्स है मी पैक भाया says the friend away says the friend for the heavens rouse up a brave mind says the friend and run pola well my conscience hanging about the neck of my heart says very wisely to me my honest friend Lancelot के conscience कौची being an honest man's son or rather an honest woman's son Hello. Well, my conscience says, Lancelot, budge not,
Do not move.
do not move. Budge not. Budge, says the friend. Friend goes javary. Budge not, says my conscience. Conscience, say, conscience, say I, ମୁଁ କହୁଛି conscience को, conscience, you counsel well, तू ଭଲ ବୁଝଉଛୁ
Advice.
फ्रेंड ହେଲା ସେ ଆଇ फ्रेंड କହୁଛି କଣ କହୁଛି you counsel well okay you said you counsel well to be ruled by my conscience I should stay with the Jew my master who God bless the mark is a kind of devil and to run away from the Jew I should be ruled by the friend who saving your reverence with all due respect Lancelot seems to apologize to the audience for using the name of the devil ହେଲା I should be ruled by the friend ସେ କହୁଛି ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ friend ଦ୍ୱାରା ruled ହେବି who saving your reverence ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ମାନେ with all respect saving your reverence is the devil himself अच्छा certainly the Jew is the very devil incarnation ମାନେ devil ର ଗୋଟେ ରୂପ and in my conscience is but a kind of a hard conscience ହେଲା to offer to counsel ସେ ଭଲ ଉପଦେଶ ଦଉଛି me to stay with the Jew okay but kind of a hard conscience to offer to he is a hard conscience but a kind of hard conscience to offer to counsel me to friendly to stay with the Jew ସେ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛି ମୋତେ Jew ସାଙ୍ଗେ ରହିବାକୁ ମୋ conscience ମୁଁ ତେଣୁ ସେ ଗୋଟେ hard conscience ହେଲା hard conscience the friend gives the more friendly counsel ହେଲା I will run friend my heels are at your commandment I will run ହେଲା so ଏମିତି କହୁଛି କଣ କହିଲା ନା at your commandment at your service अच्छा enter old Gobo with a basket ତା ବାପା ଆସିଲା ବୁଝିଲା ଗୋବ କହୁଛି master young man you I pray you which is the way to master Jew ଘରକୁ କୋଉଟା ବାଟ Lancelot ଟିକେ ସାଇଡ୍ କୁ ଯାଇକିରି oh heavens this is my true begotten father ହେଲା who begets the son अच्छा okay father ଯେମିତି କି ତା father ସେ କହୁଛି true begotten father who being more than sun blind high gravel blind ହେଲା knows me not ହେଲା ସେ କହୁଛି ଯେ ସେ ମତେ जानी पाउनी हाफ ब्लाइंड है सांड ब्लाइंड मैंने हाफ ब्लाइंड हाई ग्रावेल ब्लाइंड मोर देन हाफ ब्लाइंड है नोज मी नॉट मत चिन्ह पारनी आई विल ट्राए कन्फ्यूजन विथ हिम है मु भी ताको चिन्ह पारिनी ताको से भाया खेली ता सागे है बुझिपार कि ट्राए कन्फ्यूजन ट्राए आउट एन एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन हिम है मुझे ताको सेमती रोल करी हाँ बुझिपाल गोबो कहला मास्टर यंग जेंटलमैन आई प्रे यू व्हिच इज द वे टू मास्टर ज्यूस से आउ थे पचारा कुआडे बाट हाँ लॉन्सलॉट कहला टर्न अप ऑन योर राइट हैंड एट द नेक्स्ट टर्निंग है हाँ बट एट द नेक्स्ट टर्निंग ऑफ ऑल हाँ ऑन योर लेफ्ट पुणी लेफ्ट को जा हाँ मैरी at the very next turn of no hand but turn down indirectly to the Jew's house बुझे कि से ताने कहूँ तू गोटे बाट बतुचें तो एमती जा बोली है बुझिपाल ताने मैरी मैरी माने इठी ए माइल्ड ओथ बाय द वर्जिन मेरी हाँ बुझिपार अच्छा टर्न ऑफ नो हैंड डू नॉट टर्न टू एनी साइड टर्न ऑफ नो हैंड है ये टर्न ऑफ नो हैंड कुआडे बुलबुनि बट टर्न डाउन डायरेक्टली टू द ज्यूस इनडायरेक्टली टू द ज्यूस हाउस ये गोटे बाट बतेला indirectly mistake for a directly okay such mistakes made by Lancelot have comic effect ओहो से कहूँ एटा गोटे कमिक इफेक्ट देकरी डायरेक्ट को इनडायरेक्टली कह दीजिए है लोक हसिए बुझिपाल गोबो माई गॉड सन्टिक्स ए सन्टिस सन्टिस माने माई गॉड सेंस ताको से कहूँ it will be a hard way to hit so hit माने to find hard way to hit can you tell me whether one Lancelot that duel with him or no एबे अच्छी ना नहीं ता पाखरे गोटे Lancelot रहउतला गोटे लोकटे ता पाखरे अच्छी ना नहीं टिके तमे कहि परियो कि Lancelot कहला talk you of young master Lancelot एटो टिके साइड को जाइकरी कहला mark me now will I raise the waters हाँ से कहूँ टिके साइड को जाई कहूँ कौन कहला mark me now मते देख now I will raise the waters मुझे केमती पानी काढ़ी हाँ माने कौन गोटे करियो मजा करियो है बोली से लोक ऑडियंस हसिए टॉक यू ऑफ यंग मास्टर लॉन्सलट ता पाखु आसी कहला अरे तुम लॉन्सलट को खोजुच गोबो नो मास्टर सार बट ए पुअर मैन सन हिज फादर दो आई से इट इज एन ऑनेस्ट एक्सीडिंगली पुअर मैन एंड गॉड बी थैंक्ड वेल टू लिव एंड गॉड बी है and God be thanked well to live बोले एमती से गोटे कहला आज्ञा मास्टर नु बोली कहला नो मास्टर सार बट पुअर मैन सन से गोटे पुअर मैन सन हाँ से मास्टर लॉन्सलट नुह है बुझल लॉन्सलट कहला वेल लेट हिज फादर बी व्हाट ए विल वी टॉक ऑफ यंग मास्टर लॉन्सलट एटू से कौन कहला लॉन्सलट कहला वेल लेट हिज फादर बी व्हाट ए विल वी टॉक ऑफ यंग मास्टर लॉन्सलट अच्छा Gobo, your worship's friend and Lancelot, sir. ସେ କହୁଛି ପୁଣି Lancelot. Let Lancelot କହୁଛି, well, let his father be. What will we talk of young master Lancelot? अच्छा Lancelot कहला, but I pray you ergo. ଏଇଟା ଦେଖିବା ଏଇପଟେ ergo, ହଁ ergo ହଉଛି
therefore
ହଁ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି therefore Lancelot does not know the meaning but uses it to confuse the old man ergo ହେଲା କୋଉଟା ergo ହଁ so but I pray you ergo old man I pray you old man ହେଲା so ସେ କହୁଛି but I pray you therefore your old man therefore I beseech you talk you of a young master Lancelot ସେ କହୁଛି ଯେ I am talking if you young master Lancelot Gobo of Lancelot and please your mastership अच्छा ତାପରେ Lancelot କହିଲା ergo therefore master Lancelot talk not of master Lancelot father for the young gentleman according to fates and destinies and such odd sayings the sisters three and such branches of learning is indeed deceased or as you would say in plain terms gone to heaven ହେଲା ଏଇଠି ସେ କହିଲା ergo therefore master Lancelot talk not of master Lancelot father ସେ କହୁଛି master Lancelot ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି କହନି ହେଲା ସେ ଓଲ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ କୁ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ କରି କହୁଛି ଫାଦର ମାଷ୍ଟର Lancelot ଭିତରେ କହନି କିଛି ହେଲା for the young gentleman according to the fates and destinies ହେଲା ତା ଯୋଗୁ ତା କଥାରେ and such odd sayings the sisters three and such branches of learning is indeed deceased ଏଠି କହିଲା ଯେ according to faith of learning जोटा according to the his faith and or destiny or such things or the three sisters of the ancient Greeks and such others learned conception of fate the sisters three learning these three sisters कौन लिखला क्लोथो Lachesis and Atropos were called the fates and the destinies ଏଇ ତିନିଟା ଯାକ sister ହେଲା Shakespeare is satiring remark ଦଉଛନ୍ତି those people who satiring ମାନେ ଏ ଯୋଉ remark ଦବା ମ ଯୋଉ ମଜା କରି କହିବା ହେଲା so Shakespeare is satiring those people who are not content ଯୋଉମାନେ ଖୁସି ନଥାନ୍ତି ହେଲା to use plain speech ହେଲା plain speech ରେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଖୁସି ନଥାନ୍ତି but attempt to use learned words and phrases ହେଲା ସେମାନେ ଲଣ୍ଡ ୱାର୍ଡ ୟୁଜ୍ କରନ୍ତି ଆଉ phrases ୟୁଜ୍ କରନ୍ତି ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ପ୍ଲେନରେ ସେମାନେ ଖୁସି ନଥାନ୍ତି ହେଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ତେଣୁ ସେ କହିଲା ଫର୍ ଦି ୟଙ୍ଗ ଜେଣ୍ଟଲମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଆକର୍ଡିଂ ଟୁ ଦି ଫେଟ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡେଷ୍ଟିନିଜ୍ and such old sayings, the sister three and such branches of learning is indeed deceased, or as you would say in plain terms, gone to heaven. ହେଲା ତ ସେଇଟା କ'ଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ନା we are not content to in plain speech but attempt to use learned words and phrases ବୁଝିଲା କି ସେ କହୁଛି therefore master Lancelot talk not of a master Lancelot father for the young gentleman according to fates and destinies and such old sayings the sisters three and such branches of learning is indeed deceased ଏବେ ଆଉ ସେଇ ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ନାହାନ୍ତି ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ କି or as you would say in plain terms gone to heaven ମାନେ ମରିଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଗୋବ କହିଲା ମ୍ୟାରି ମାନେ ମ୍ୟାରି God forbid why God forbid acha the boy was the very staff of my age my very prop ମାନେ support ହେଲା ଏଠି ସେ କହୁଛି talk not of master Lancelot father for the young gentleman according to the facts and destinies and such odd sayings the sister three and such branches of learning is indeed deceased ସେ ଲୋକଟା ମରିଯାଇଛି ହେଲା ମାଷ୍ଟର ଲନ୍ସଲଟ୍ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ ଏମାନଙ୍କ ଇଏ ଦେଇକିରି କହୁଛି ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏଇ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫେଟ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡେଷ୍ଟିନିଜକୁ ରଖିକିରି ସାକ୍ଷୀ ରଖିକିରି ତାଙ୍କ ଇଏରେ ସେ କହୁଛି ହେଲା ଯେ ସେ ଲୋକଟା ମରିଯାଇଛି ମାଷ୍ଟର ଲନ୍ସଲଟ୍ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ or as you would say in plain terms gone to heaven ଯଦି ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ଟର୍ମସରେ କହିଲେ ସେ ମରିଯାଇଛି ସ୍ୱର୍ଗକୁ ପଳେଇଛି ସ୍ୱର୍ଗ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତି ହେଇଛି ହେଲା ଗୋବ କହିଲା ମେରି ଗଡ୍ ଫରବିଡ୍ ନାଇଁ ଗଡ୍ ତାକୁ ନ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦି ବୟ ୱାଜ୍ ଏ ଭେରି ଷ୍ଟାଫ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମାଇ ଏଜ୍ ସେ କହିଲା ମୋର ଏକମାତ୍ର ସପୋର୍ଟ ଥିଲା ମାଇ ଓନ୍ଲି ପ୍ରପ୍ ମାନେ ବି ସପୋର୍ଟ ଓକେ ଏକମାତ୍ର ମୋର ସପୋର୍ଟ ଥିଲା ଲନ୍ସଲଟ୍ ସାଇଡକୁ ଟିକେ ଯାଇ କହିଲା ଡୁ ଆଇ ଲୁକ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ ଏ ଗର୍ଜେଲ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ବାଡି ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଆର ହବେଲ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ମେନ୍ ଟିମ୍ବର ସପୋର୍ଟିଂ ଏ ପୁଅର ଡୁଏଲିଂ କହିଲା ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି କଢି ଭଳିଆ ବାଡି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ହଉଛି କଢି ମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉଟା ଉପରେ ଥାଏ ଲଗା ହେଇଥାଏ ବଡ ବଡ ଶ୍ରେଣୀ ତା ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି କି କର୍ଜୁଆଲ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହୋଭେଲ ପୋଷ୍ଟ a staff or a prof do you know me father ତାକୁ ସେ ସେଇଠୁ ପଚାରୁଛି ତାପରେ ଗୋବ କହୁଛି ଆଲାକ୍ ଦି ଡେ old grove groans ମାନେ କାନ୍ଦୁଛି ବୋଲି I know you not ମୁଁ ତତେ ଚିହ୍ନିନି young gentleman but I pray you tell me is my boy God rest his soul ହେଲା alive or dead ହେ ଭଗବାନ ତାକୁ ତା ଆତ୍ମାକୁ ଶାନ୍ତି ଦିଅ ସେ ପୁଣି ପଚାରୁଛି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହେଇକିରି ମାନେ ହି ଇଜ alive or dead ଲନ୍ସଲଟ୍ କହୁଛି ଡୁ ୟୁ ନୋ mi father ପୁଣି ପଚାରୁଛି ଗୋବୋ ଆଲାକ୍ ସାର୍ I am sound blind ମୁଁ half blind I know you not ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ଜାଣିନି ଲନ୍ସଲଟ୍ କହିଲା नो indeed If you had your eyes, तो যদি আখি থাকা, you might fail of the knowing me. If you had your eyes, তোর আখি থিলে, you might fail of the knowing me. তার মানে আচ্ছা, knowing me. It is a wise father that knows his own child. तो ଆଖି ଥିଲେ ବି ତୁ ମତେ ଫେଲ କରିଥାନ୍ତୁ, ହେଲା, ଚିହ୍ନିବାରେ, ହେଲା। ତୁ ୱାଇଜ ଫାଦର ନୁହଁ, ତୁ ଜାଣିବୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ତୋ ସନ୍ କୁ, ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? ତୋ ଆଖି ନଥାଏ କି ତୁ ଫେଲ କରୁଛୁ, ଆଖି ଥିଲେ ବି ଫେଲ କରିଥାନ୍ତୁ, ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? Because you are not a wise father. Well, old man, I will tell you news of your son. Give me your blessings, ହେଲା। ତୁ ମତେ ବ୍ଲେସିଂ ଦେ। ହେଠୁ ନିଲ୍ସ ବସି ପଡ଼ିଲା, ଆଣ୍ଠି ପଡ଼ିଲା। ଟ୍ରୁଥ ୱିଲ୍ କମ୍ ଟୁ ଲାଇଟ୍, ହେଲା, ଟ୍ରୁଥ ଆସିବ। ମର୍ଡର କ୍ୟାନଟ୍ ବି ହିଡ୍ ଲଙ୍ଗ, ମର୍ଡର ବେଶୀ ଦିନ ହେଇପାରିବନି। ଏ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ସନ୍ ମେ ବଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦି ଏଣ୍ଡ ଟ୍ରୁଥ ୱିଲ୍ ଆଉଟ୍। ସୋ ମର୍ଡର କ୍ୟାନଟ୍ ହିଡ୍ ଲଙ୍ଗ, ଏ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ସ ସନ୍ ମେ, ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ର ଛୁଆ ଲୁଚିପାରେ, ମର୍ଡର କ୍ୟାନଟ୍ ଲୁଚ୍। ମରିଯାଇଛି ଯୋଉ କହୁଛି, ସେ ଲୁଚିବନି, ଯାହାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ପିଲାଟେ ଲୁଚିପାରେ, ହେଲା। ମରିବାଟା ଲୁଚିବନି ବୋଲି ତାକୁ ସେ କହୁଛି ଆଉ। ବଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦି ଏଣ୍ଡ ଟ୍ରୁଥ ୱିଲ୍ ଆଉଟ୍, ସେ କହୁଛି ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହନି, ଟ୍ରୁଥ ଜଣା ପଡିବ ଆଉ। ଗୋବ କହିଲା, ପ୍ରେ ୟୁ ସାର୍ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଅପ୍, ହଉ ଛିଡା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ, ଆଣ୍ଠେଇଛ କଣ ପାଇଁ? I am sure you are not Lancelot, my boy. ସେ ପୁଣି କହିଲା, ଲନ୍ସଲଟ୍ ତୁ ତ ନୁହଁ ତ? ଲନ୍ସଲଟ୍ କହିଲା, pray you, let's have no more fooling about it, but give me your blessing. I am Lancelot, your boy that was, ହେଲା, your son that is, ମୁଁ ବି ତୋର son, ଆଗରୁ ତୋର ପିଲା ଥିଲି, ଏବେ ବି ତୋ your child that shall be, ଆଗକୁ ବି ରହିବି, ହେଲା। ଗୋବ କହିଲା, I cannot think you are my son. ସେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରୁନି ଗୋବ। ଲନ୍ସଲଟ୍, I know not what I shall think of that. ତମେ ମତେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରୁନି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କଣ କରିପାରିବି? But I am Lancelot, the Zeus man, and I am sure, ହେଲା, Margery, your wife is my mother. ମାର୍ଗରୀ ବୋଲି ତା ନାଁଟା କହିଦେଲା, ହେଲା। ସେଠୁ ଜାଣିଦବ ଫଟକିରି। ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ନା ନାଇଁ? ଗୋବ କହିଲା, her name is Margery indeed. I will be sworn if thou be Lancelot, ହେଲା। I will be sworn ମାନେ I can sure, now you are sure, you are my son, you are mine own flesh and blood, Lord worshipped might he be, Lord worshipped, may the Lord be praised, মানে Lord worshipped might he be, Lord worshipped might he be, মানে Lord be praised. What a beard has you got, କେଡ଼େ ବଡ଼ ଦାଢ଼ି ରଖିଛୁ। You have not got more hair on your chin than Dobbin my field horse has on his tail. ସେ କହୁଛି, you have got more hair on your chin, ହେଲା, ତୁ ଏତେ ଦାଢ଼ି ରଖିଛୁ ଯେ, than Dobbin my field horse, ହେଲା, field horse, cart horse, one that works in the fields or shafts. So ତାଠୁ ଅଧିକା ତୁ ରଖିଛୁ, ତା ଲାଞ୍ଜରେ ଯେତେ ନଥିବ, ଦାଢ଼ି ସେତେ ବଡ଼ ହେଇଛି। ଲନ୍ସଲଟ୍ କହିଲା ଉଠିକିରି, it should be seem then that Dobbin's tail grows backward. I am sure he had more hair on his tail than I have on my face when I last saw him. ବୁଝିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ? ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଦେଖିଥିଲି ଆଗରୁ, I am sure he had more hair on his tail. ତାର ବେଶୀ ଥିଲା, ହେଲା, ତାର ବେଶୀ ହେୟାର ଥିଲା, ମୋର କମ୍ ଥିଲା। ସେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାକୁ ଦେଖିକି ଆସିଥିଲି ଫାଷ୍ଟ। ଗୋପ କହିଲା, ଲର୍ଡ, how are you changed? How does thou and thy master agree? ହେଲା, ମାନେ ତମ ଦି ଜଣ ଭିତରେ କେମିତି ପଟୁଛି, ହେଲା, ମାଷ୍ଟର ଏଗ୍ରି। ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ କି ନାହିଁ? ଆଚ୍ଛା, ମାଷ୍ଟର ଏଗ୍ରି। I have not brought him a present. ମୁଁ ତା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ବି ଆଣିନି ମାଷ୍ଟର ପାଇଁ। How agree you now? How agree? agree ମାନେ how agree? You now ମାନେ କେମିତି ଅଛୁ ବୋଲି ପଚାରୁଛି ଆଉ, ହେଲା। ଲନ୍ସେଲଟ୍ କହିଲା, well, but for mine own part, as I have set up my rest to run away, so I will not rest till I have run some ground. My master is a very Jew. Give him a present. Give him a halter. I am famished in his service. You may tell every finger I have with my ribs. ହେଲା, ଆଚ୍ଛା, ସେ କହିଲା, well, but for mine own part, as I have set up my rest to run away. ଏଠି କହିଲା, for mine own part, as far as I am concerned, for mine own part, as I have set up my rest to run away. I have set up my rest. I have made up my mind. Set up my rest ମାନେ କ'ଣ? Made up my mind, ହେଲା, to run away. So I will not rest till I have run some distance. Okay, ତେଣୁ I will କହିଲା, I will not rest, ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ତ ଯିବି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ, till I have run some distance. My master is a very Jew. Give him a present. Give him a present ବୋଲି ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ କହୁଛି, ହେଲା, ଏଇଟା ଜିଉଟା। Give him a halter କହୁଛି, ତାକୁ କହୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଦେ ତାକୁ, ହେଲା, a rope to hang himself with the famous staff. ସେ କହୁଛି ଫେମିସ୍ ମାନେ ଷ୍ଟାର, ହେଲା, ନାଇଁ, ସେ କହୁଛି ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଦେ, ଗୋଟେ ହଲ୍ଟର ଦେ, ଗୋଟେ ତାକୁ ରୋପ୍ ଦେ। I am famished, ହେଲା, ମୁଁ ଭୋକିଲା ଅଛି। I am famished in his service, ହେଲା, ତ ମୋତେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦଉନି। You may tell every finger, ହେଲା, with my ribs. You may tell every finger I have with my ribs. ତାହେଲେ ମୋ ହାଡ଼ ଗଣି ଦଉ ତୁ, ମୋ କଙ୍କାଳରେ କେତେଟା ହାଡ଼ ଅଛି। You may tell every finger I have with my ribs. Father, I am glad you are come. Give me your present to one master Vasanyo, ହେଲା, ଆଚ୍ଛା, ତାକୁ ଦବୁ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟଟା। Who indeed gives rare new liveries. Sorry, କ'ଣ କହିଲି? ଆଚ୍ଛା, master who indeed gives rare new liveries. Uniforms. So who indeed gives rare new liveries. ସେ ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଆ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଦିଏ। If I serve not him, I will run as far as God. ମୁଁ ଯାଇକି ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ସିଧା ଯିବି, ହେଲା। God has any ground, ହେଲା, ନାଇଁ, ଭଗବାନ ନାହିଁ, ମୁଁ ଯୁଆଡ଼େ ସବୁଆଡ଼େ ବୁଲିବି, ହେଲା। ସେ କହୁଛି बुझिगल रेयर न्यू रिवर इज व्हेन इट इज हैपेंड दैट though Lancelot can hardly know about it, Bassanio is just about to order some liveries in preparation of his visit to Belmore. हाँ अच्छा as far as the ground as far as away as the limit of God's earth oh God पाखनु जो जे God को earth अच्छी God has any ground हाँ माने पृथ्वी सारा मैं बुलिबी ओ rare fortune here comes the man to him father or I am a Jew if I serve the Jew any longer अच्छा से कहूची I'll run as far as the God has any ground oh rare fortune here comes the man हाँ से कहूची लोकटा आसिलानी to him father for I am a Jew ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ Jew if I serve the Jew any longer हाँ for I am a Jew कहूची ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ Jew ହେଇଯିବି हाँ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ତା ପାଖରେ ବେଶୀ ଦିନ ଆହୁରି କାମ କରିବି अच्छा हाँ पढ़िया अच्छा हाँ 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 आई एम अच्छा as far away as the limit of God's earth to him go to him I remain एठी से कौन कहला हाँ ओ रेयर फॉर्च्यून हियर कम्स द मैन टू हाँ हियर कम्स द मैन से लोकटा आसुची को लोकटा माने बासानियो आसुची टू हिम फादर for I am a Jew if I serve the Jew any longer है ना मैंने से कहूची I remain Jew हैं बासानियो enters अच्छा with Leonardo बासानियो कहूची कहा को लियोनार्डो को है ना कौन कहूची you may do so but let it be so hasted एते जल्दी हो that the supper be ready at the farthest by 5 ହେଲା so latest by 5 हाँ मैंने से कहूची जल्दी करिया कामटा है हाँ of the clock see these letters delivered आ ये लेटर गुड़ा को डेलीवर कर दबो हाँ put माने दे दबो put the deliveries to making deliveries गुड़ा को कौन अरेंज करिवो ହେଲା करिवो जेमती तयारी हबो हाँ and desire Graciano to come आनंद माने at once ହେଲା जो कम आनंद टू माई लजिंग मो है रूम को हाँ ताको कहबो जल्दी आसीबो के ग्रासियन एटू लॉन्सेलॉट टू हिम फादर अच्छा एग्जिट ए सर्वेंट है अच्छा से गोटे गला हारी किए बोधे लियोनार्डो नहीं जाइनी ସେଇଟା ତ ଲିଓନାର୍ଡୋ ଆଉ କିଏ କି ନାଇଁ 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 ହେଲା ସୋ ଲିଓନାର୍ଡୋ ଗଲା ସର୍ଭେଣ୍ଟଟା ଯୋଉ ଲନ୍ସେଲଟ୍ ରହିଛି ଟୁ ହିମ୍ ଫାଦର ଆଚ୍ଛା ଗୋବୋ ଟୁ ହିମ୍ ଫାଦର ତାକୁ କହୁଛି ଯେ ଯା ତାକୁ କୁହ ଟୁ ହିମ୍ ଫାଦର ହଁ ଗୋବୋ କହିଲା ଗଡ୍ ବ୍ଲେସ୍ ୟୁର ୱର୍ସିପ୍ ତାକୁ କହିଲା ହଁ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ଦେଲା ସାର୍ ବୋଲି ହଁ ବାସାନିଓ ଗ୍ରାମର୍ସି माने an exclamation denoting thanks से भी thanks देला ग्रामर्सी किए बासानियो wouldst thou ought to with me है ना wouldst thou ought with me ought माने anything so से कहूची do you want anything from me wouldst you ought with me anything you want from me गोबो कहला here is my son sir a poor boy बोलता को देखेला Lancelot, not a poor boy, sir, but the rich Jewish man. ये पूरा झाइलक रो लोको ହେଲା that would sir, as my father shall specify. अच्छा ओहो सॉरी এটা লঞ্চলট কହୁଛି not a poor boy sir but the rich Jewish man ହେଲା ସେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ରିଚ୍ ଜିଉର ମ୍ୟାନ୍ that would sir as my father shall specify ସେ କହୁଛି ମାନେ my father will explain state ओके अच्छा गोबो कहला he has a great affection sorry infection sir as one would say to serve तार इन्फेक्शन टा माने तार गोटे एटा होची रोग
wrong word use
एटा अफेक्शन हां इन्फेक्शन को अफेक्शन कर दी हैला सो रॉन्ग वर्ड यूज्ड बाय गोबो फॉर अफेक्शन डिजायर से कहूची तार एटा गोटे ही हैज ए ग्रेट इन्फेक्शन सर आज वन वुड से टू सर्व से कहूची गोटे सर्व करिया तार भारी लाइकिंग सेवा करिया हैला बुझि पालो लॉन्सलेट कहला इंडीड दिस शॉर्ट एंड द लॉन्ग इज शॉर्ट एंड द लॉन्ग माने एटा गोटे इडियम हैला लॉन्ग अच्छा एक्चुअली ए इडियम टा होची लॉन्ग एंड द शॉर्ट माने किंतु से कह देला कोन शॉर्ट एंड द लॉन्ग ए रिवर्सल यूज्ड फॉर द कॉमिक इफेक्ट हैला ऑल दैट नीड्स टू बी सेड तो यार अर्थ होला ऑल दैट नीड्स टू बी सेड बुझि परछो माने दी लॉन्ग एंड दी शॉर्ट हवा कथा सो से कहला शॉर्ट एंड दी लॉन्ग कोडला एटा indeed the short and the long is माने all that needs to be said माने summary I serve you से summary टा कह दोछ I serve you and have a desire as my father shall specify से कहछ कि मोर आ गोटे इच्छा अछि मु कोन मो फादर कहबो गोबो कहला हिज मास्टर and he saving your worship's reverence हैला ता माने with apology to you saving your worship's reverence it is saving माने an apology to you with respect to you sir for the his master and he से कहूची आर एठू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट हैला आर स्केयर्स कैरेक्टर्स को जिन्स हैला हिज मास्टर एंड ही आर स्केयर्स कैरेक्टर को जिन्स स्केयर्स माने एंदी देखा जेन बिरळ हैला हार्डली कैरेक्टर को जिन्स माने ब्रेड गुड फ्रेंड्स दे आर स्केयर्स कैरेक्टर को जिन्स माने सांको भीतर पड़ेनी से ताको पार्टी करे से ताको पार्टी करे स्केयर्स माने नॉट हार्डली नॉट बुझि पालो लॉन्सलॉट कहला टू बी ब्रीफ द वेरी ट्रूथ इज दैट द Jew having done me wrong does cause me as my father being I hope an old man shall fructify unto you माने से कहूची अच्छा fructify माने bear fruit word used wrongly to mean notify से माने notify माने तते जणेयो बोली ताको कहूची fructify to be brief माने संक्षेप रे कहले the very truth is that the Jew having done me wrong से मो ऊपर किछि गोटे एक्शन नै छि माने wrong मो ऊपर खराब काम करछि does cause me as my father being I hope the old man से कहूची मो फादर तते भलके कहबो हैला गोबो कहला I have here a dish of doves I would bestow upon your worship माने dips of doves माने
presence of
doves for eating से कहला मु गोटे देबी खाइया तते हैला I have here a dish of doves that I would bestow upon your worship तोरे तते देबी अर्पण करबी bestow upon your worship and my suit is ମୁଁ କଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି request my request is okay my request is କଣ ସେ କହୁଛି Lancelot କହିଲା in very brief this suit is important to myself ସେ କହିଲା ଏଟା ମାନେ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରଯୁଜ୍ୟ relevant ହେଲା as your worship shall know by this honest old man ये old man ମାନେ ମୋ ବାପା କହିବ and though I say it though old man yet poor man my father ସେ କହୁଛି ମୋ father କହିବ ଆଉ ହେଲା although it is I his son who says it ହେଲା he is my father though old and poor ସେ କହୁଛି ଏଇଟା ହିଁ ଏକା ଜିନିଷଟା ଚଲେଇଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା ବାସାନୀୟ କହିଲା one speak from for both କହିଲା ଜଣେ କୁହ ଏ ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକ କହି ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି ଇଏ ଟିକେ କହୁଛି ସେ ଟିକେ କହୁଛି what would you ସେ କହୁଛି what would you ତାମାନେ what is it you want ମାନେ ତମେ କଣ କହିବାକୁ ଜଣେ କୁହ ହେଲା Lancelot କହିଲା serve you sir ସେ କହିଲା ମୁଁ ତତେ ସର୍ଭ କରିବାକୁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇଠି କହିଦେଲା କି ସର୍ଭ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ serve you sir Gobo that is the very defect of the matter sir ହେଲା defect ଆଉ effect ବୋଲି କହିଦେଇଛି ହେଲା means effect conclusion very conclusion very effect of the matter to serve you Asani I know you well thou has obtained your suit ବୁଝିପାରିଲ you have obtained your suit ମାନେ ତମେ ତମ କଥା ଜଣେଇଦେଲ your request you have obtained your suit sorry obtained ନାହିଁ obtained ମାନେ ପାଇଗଲ ହଁ ତୁ ହେଲୁ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ହେଲା ତୁ ସର୍ଭିସ ତତେ ମିଳିଗଲା Shylock your master spoke with me this day ହେଲା Shylock your master ତୋ master Shylock ମୋ ଆଜି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହେଇଛି and has preferred you କହିଛି ତତେ ହେଲା if it is pertinent to leave a rich Jew service to become the followers of so poor a gentleman ସେ କହିଲା you if it is pertinent to leave ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ତାମାନେ ସେ କହୁଛି ହଁ ସେ ପ୍ରିଫର କରୁଛି recommended you ହେଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ହେଲା ତାପରେ Lancelot କହିଲା the old proverb is very well parted between my master Shylock and you ଏଟା ବି ସେ parted ଟାକୁ ହେଲା ହଁ parted ମାନେ divided between my master Shylock and you the old proverb is very ହେଲା well parted ମାନେ very distinct very difference ମାନେ ଇଏ କଣ ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ନା divided ହେଲା between my master Shylock and you sir you have the grace of God sir and he has enough he has enough ମାନେ enough ମାନେ enough money possession the old proverb is the grace of the God is gear enough possessions enough ହେଲା which means that the man with the grace of God has all he needs for his salvation ଯାହା ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଇଏ the grace of God is gear enough which means that the man with the grace of God has all he needs for his salvation ହେଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା Bassanio being a Christian has the grace of God while Shylock is a rich man has enough possessions अच्छा Shylock and you अच्छा you have the grace of God sir and he has enough Bassanio କହିଲା thou speakst it well you are telling it nicely you go father with your son ସେ କହୁଛି go father with your son take leave of your old master and inquire my lodging out ଯାଇକି ମୋ କୋଉଠି ମୁଁ ଅଛି ଦେଖ ହେଲା टू हिज फॉलोअर्स गिव हिम ए लिभरी ताको गोटे ड्रेस दियो बोली ताको कहले मोर गार्डेड देन हिज फेलोज सी इट डन हला सो इनक्वायर आउट फाइंड आउट द वे टू माय हाउस हला जाके देखो गार्डेड माने ब्रेडेड हला Lancelot is to have a uniform with more ornamental stripes on it than the other servants. से कहूची more guarded than his fellows. ताको से कहूची जे देखि देखे give him a livery अन्य को कहूची to his followers कहूची and more guarded than his fellows. कहूची मोर ता संगे जो माने काम करछन ता छडा तांकोटु ताको जिंती बेसी मिलियो कोन मिलियो ये ड्रेस मिलियो ता संगे तार मोर ब्रेडेड माने ऑर्नामेंटल स्ट्राइप्स सब लागियो हला जोड़ा सब लागे नी पोशाक रे हला हला ऑर्नामेंटल और स्ट्राइप्स लागियो दिस माइट इंडिकेट दैट ही इज टू बी Basanius jester अच्छा सीट डन ता कहला देखो जेमती हेबो हैं ता फॉलोअर मेनू कहला और लॉन्सलेट कहला फादर इन इन माने गो इनसाइड अच्छा हला लाइकली इनटू बासानियस हाउस इट बासानियो हाउस तू जिबा बोली आई कैन नॉट गेट ए सर्विस नो I cannot get a service. No, I have never a tongue in my head. Well, looking on his palm. If any man in Italy have a fairer table, which does offer to swear upon a swear upon a book, I shall have a good fortune. से कहूची आई शैल हैव अ गुड फॉर्च्यून गो टू हियर इज ए सिंपल लाइन ऑफ लाइफ हला अच्छा एठी कहूची जे आई कैन नॉट एठी गोटे नथला कि आई कैन नॉट गेट द सर्विस नो आई हैव नेवर ए टंग इन माय हेड से कहूची हियर एंड आल्सो in the rest of the speech, Lancelot is joking by saying the opposite of what he means. I have जो head पर्यंत I cannot speak for myself. से कहूची go in I cannot get a service. No, I have never a tongue. ताने मो निजे कहि परिबिनी मोर मो पई तू कहि देबो in my head. हला well looking at his palm. If any man in Italy ता हाथ तो देखुची जे भाग्य Italy have a fairer table table माने ई palm of the hand Lancelot pretending to be a palmist से निजे भाव कहूची गोटे मु palmist हाथ जे देखि पारे tells his fortune by looking at his palm so have a fairer table which does offer to swear upon a book है तामाने ऑफर व्हिच अच्छा स्वेयर अपॉन ए बुक व्हिच डज ऑफर टू स्वेयर अपॉन ए बुक माने बही छुई जो शपथ करिवो हैला आई शैल हैव गुड फॉर्च्यून से कहजी मोर भलो फॉर्च्यून पाइबी हैला इफ एनी मैन इटाली हैज ए मोर फॉर्च्यूनेट पाम व्हिच ही प्लेसेस ऑन द बाइबल बही माने एठी बाइबल व्हेन ही इज स्वेयरिंग एन ओथ I am vastly surprised for I shall have the good fortune. ताको चाकीटा मिलिला सेतबेन से कहूची I shall have the good fortune हैला go to here is a simple line of a life से निजे देखुची हाथ here is a small triple of wives हैला मजा करची triple of wives बुझि पाछन नै मजा करची देखैगिरी से कहूची line of life से कहूची a line which passes around the ball of the thumb thumb is called in palmistry the line of life बोले कहूची simple line of life A clearly marked line on his a clearly marked line on his palm. Simple line ଏଠି ହେଲା clearly marked ମାନେ ଭଲ କି ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି. Denoting that he will have a long life. Unbroken lines joining the base of the thumb to the line of the life were said to indicate the number of wives that a man will have. ହେଲା unbroken lines joining the base of the thumb ସେଟା କ'ଣ ଦେଖୁଛି ବେସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ଥମ୍ବରେ କ'ଣ ଏଟା ଥିଲେ ହେଲା ଆଉ ଛାଡ଼ ହିୟର ଇଜ୍ ତେଣୁ ହିୟର ଇଜ୍ ଏ ସ୍ମଲ୍ ଅନଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଲାଇନ୍ ସେ କହୁଛି ଡିଲିଂ ୱିଥ୍ ମ୍ୟାରେଜ ଟ୍ରିଫୁଲ୍ ମାନେ ଅନଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ସୋ ଟ୍ରିଫୁଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ୱାଇଫ୍ସ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଲାସ୍ 15 wives is nothing 11 widows and 9 maids is a simple coming in for one man ହେଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏହା କହିଲା ହେଲା ସେଟା କହୁଛି ତା ଇଏର ଆଉ ହେଲା one man and then to ହେଲା escape drowning ମାନେ ଯେ ବୁଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ମାନେ ଯେ ପାଣିରେ ନ ବୁଡ଼ିବ ବୋଲି ଥ୍ରାଇସ୍ଟା ଅଛି ବୁଝିପାରିଲ and to be in peril ଡେଞ୍ଜରରେ ପଡ଼ିବାକୁ of my life with the age of a feather bed here are feather bed here are simple escapes ତା ଦେଖିକିରି କହୁଛି ସେ ପାମିଷ୍ଟ ବୋଲି ନିଜକୁ ଭାବୁଛି ଆଉ well if fortune be a woman ସେ କହୁଛି ଯଦି fortune ଗୋଟେ woman ହବ ହେଲା she is good wench for this gear
lady wench for lady
wench ମାନେ lady she is a good lady for this gear
for this
purpose ହେଲା father come I will take my leave from the Jew of the Jew in twinkling of an eye ମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମୁଁ ଆସିବି external onslaught and old couples ତୁ ମୋ ଲାଗି ଟିକେ କହିଦେବୁ ଚାଲ ବାସାନିଓ ଏଠୁ ଆସିଲା ହେଲା I pray you ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇଟା ସବୁ ଯାଇଛି then escape peril okay so if fortune be a woman fortune is depicted as a woman to indicate the inconstancy of faith ହେଲା faith wench lady for this gear for this purpose ନାଇଁ କି twinkle just a moment ସହିତ ଯାଇ ଗଲେ ଭିତରକୁ ଆଉ ତାପରେ ବାସାନିଓ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲା I pray you sorry ସେମାନେ ଗଲେ ହାରି ବାସାନିଓ ବାହାରେ ଅଛି I pray you good Leonardo think on this these things being bought and orderly bestowed ହେଲା ମାନେ ଏସବୁ ଯୋଉ କାମ ଯେମିତି ହବ ସେ କହୁଛି ଆଉ these things ହେଲା when you have bought those things and packed them properly ହେଲା ହଁ ହେଲା ସବୁ ଠିକ ଠାକ ପ୍ୟାକେଜ ହବ ବୋଲି ସେ କହୁଛି ଆଉ ଫିଷ୍ଟ ଆଚ୍ଛା ତାପରେ bestowed return in haste for I do
feast tonight
return in haste for I do feast tonight ସେ କହୁଛି ଯେ feast ମାନେ I do feast ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭୋଜି ଦେବି tonight ହେଲା my best esteemed acquaintance hi thee go ହେଲା so hurry up hi thee ମାନେ hurry up and go ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଠୁ ଲିଓନାର୍ଡୋ ମାଇ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଏଣ୍ଡେଭର ସେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି ଆଉ ହେଲା ଇଫର୍ଟସ୍ ଦେବି ସାଲ୍ ବି ଡନ୍ ହିୟର ଇନ୍ ଆଚ୍ଛା ତେଣୁ ତାପରେ ଆସିଲା ଗ୍ରାସିଆନୋ ଆସିଛି ୱେର୍ ଇଜ୍ ୟୁଅର ମାଷ୍ଟର ଲିଓନାର୍ଡୋ କହୁଛି ଲିଓନାର୍ଡୋକୁ ଦେଖିଛି ଜଷ୍ଟ ଲିଓନାର୍ଡୋ ଯାଇନି ଲିଓନାର୍ଡୋ କହୁଛି ୟଣ୍ଡର ସାର୍ ସେଇଠି ୟଣ୍ଡର ମାନେ ସିଆଡ଼େ ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ଓଭର ଦେୟାର ହେଲା ଗ୍ରାସିଆନୋ କହୁଛି ସିଗ୍ନିୟର ବାସାନିଓ Graciano कहला I have a suit to you, I have a suit to you, I have a request to you. Graciano कହୁची you have obtained it. तो रिक्वेस्ट जहाँ मु तो मानिबी आउ इट हैज बीन ऑलरेडी ग्रांटेड आउ मानिबी बोली भाव आउ अच्छा ग्रासियानो कहला you must not deny me, I must go with you to Belmont. से कहला मु बेलमोंट जीवी. Okay, Bastianio, why? Then you must, but here, you Graciano, सुन मो कथा, you are too wild. Okay, you are too wild, too rude, and bold of voice, है parts that become you happily enough. अच्छा, parts, qualities, okay, that become you happily enough, become you, suit you, have become you. It is parts that become you, that suit you happily enough. बुझिपाल and in such eyes as ours appear not false, appear not, do not seem false, and in such eyes as ours in front of us appear not false. तो कथाटा हमको लागुनी फॉल्ट भलिया लागुनी बट where you are not known, जो जगह तू स्ट्रेंजर, जो जगह तू जीव जो अजଣା जगह को why there they show तो अजଣା जगह को गले there they show something too liberal, माने rather too freely, pray you take pain to allay with some cold drops of modesty. हैला allay माने temper, moderate. So pray you take pain to allay with some cold drops of modesty. हैला तो टे चेंज करिवो your skipping spirit. अच्छा तामाने से कहूची allay with some cold drops of modesty माने to tone down with a drops of decency माने तो टे rude हबोनी सेठी टिके माने टिके शांत हबो तो allay with some cold drops of modesty तो ये हैला तो एटे रगारगी करिवोनी your thy skipping spirit हैला unruly skipping spirit माने unruly disposition हैला माने जेंति तू बाहर के आसु माने काहा को न डरू your skipping spirit lest through your wild behavior lest else through your wild behavior अच्छा बुझिपाल गला I be misconstrued, misunderstood. I be misunderstood in the place I go to, and I lose my hopes. से कहूची lose my hopes. अच्छा से कहूची तू टे भलो ये करिवो हैला बिहेवियर करिवो ग्रासियानो सिग्नर बासानियो हियर मी if I do not put on a sober habit मु जदी सोबर हैबिट करिविनी हाँ जब मु करी परा सोबर हैबिट माने भलो हैबिट मु तते सीरियस मैनर मु जेठी शो करबी हैला डिसेंट मैनर शो करबी भल लोक हेबी टॉक with respect respect नदी कथा न हेबी एंड श्योर बट नाउ एबे मु तो संगे कथा दोची एंड नाउ एंड देन वेयर प्रेयर बुक्स in my pocket look demurely हैला से कहूची तू मो ताहले जदी हैला carrying a prayer book to give the impression that he was a devout man हैला so wear prayer books in my pocket माने मो पॉकेट रे रखी दे look demurely look serious no more while Grace is saying hood mine eyes, hood माने cover my eyes, है people of some rank or hats at meals, अच्छा 10, अच्छा तो कहला hood my eyes 10 with my ear, sorry 10 with my hat,
हाँ
कौन
हाँ करा
10 with my hat and a sigh, and say amen, amen माने कहला may it be so, you had concludes a prayer, prayer सरला परे amen कहती अच्छा use all the observance of a civility, observance of civility, outward forms of good manner, है like one well studied in a sad ostentation, okay, well studied माने practiced, बुझिपाली in sad ostentation, serious appearance of a solemnity माने पूरा ये है कि जीवी कौन भल लोक भाया, so studied in sad ostentation, serious appearance of solemnity, to please his grandman, grandmother, never trust me more, never trust me more, तेणु अच्छा तापरे से कहला आउ ताले मते तू ट्रस्ट करिवनी मु जदि एटा न करी मते तू ट्रस्ट करिवनी, बुझिपाछ मु भल लोक हेबी, बासानी कहला वेल वी शैल सी योर बियरिंग, है ताने से कहला तमरो कंडक्ट, बियरिंग माने एठी कोन कंडक्ट, मु कंडक्ट तोर देखिबी आउ वी शैल, क्रिश्चियन कहला ने बट आई बार टुनाइट, है बार माने आजिटा छाड़ीगिरी, बट आई बार टुनाइट कहला आजिटा मते छाड़ी दे, आज मु जहा हेबी, है यू शैल नॉट गज मी बाय व्हाट वी डू टुनाइट, आज जहा करी मते हेतिर किछि कहबुन तू, है यू शैल नॉट जज मी, गज माने एठी जज मी, आज रे तू मते छाड़ दउ, बासानी कहला नो दैट वेयर पिटी, दैट वेयर पिटी, ओके मैंने दैट वुड बी ए पिटी, कहला आजिटा कहीं छाड़बी, आई वुड एंट्रीट यू रादर टू पुट ऑन योर बोल्डेस्ट सूट ऑफ मिर्थ, है फॉर वी हैव फ्रेंड्स दैट पर्पज मेरीमेंट, बुझिपारछ से कहला आजिटा कहीं छाड़बी, अच्छा आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू शूट ऑफ मिर्थ, पार्टली ड्रेस अम्यूजिंग मैनर, अच्छा
से कहला बदे
कहूची सुन दैट वेयर पिटी आई वुड एंट्रीट यू मु तते रिक्वेस्ट करबी रादर टू पुट ऑन योर बोल्डेस्ट सूट ऑफ मिर्थ माने तू मजा करिवु, और वी हैव फ्रेंड्स, तू ग्रेव रहिबुनी कि माने खराब ये करिवुनी मजा करिवु, और वी हैव फ्रेंड्स दैट पर्पज मेरीमेंट, हमर जो भले फ्रेंड अछंदी से माने करू चाहूचंदी, दे इंटेंड टू हैव मेरीमेंट, दे इंटेंड टू हैव किछि गोटे फन, बट फेयर यू वेल आई हैव सम बिजनेस कहि मोर काम अछि जाउची, ओके किंतु आज भी तते ठीक रे रहया पड़े, बट यू हैव टू डू सम फन, रशियन गला एंड आई मस्ट टू लॉरेंजो एंड द रेस्ट, से कहला लॉरेंजो पाखु भी मुझीबी, बट वी विल विजिट यू एट सपर टाइम, कि सपर टाइम रे देखा हबो बोली कहला।